So then the next album,
Oh, what do you mean to logo by say?
yeah, ni habuga hii, ni habuga. Le.
Okay, logo
Yeah.
me. That for Dubai le.
Le lafu di le. Wasiguru. Wasiguru woge garino. That's what this music is about.
Balisi yebe.
Aha.
Wadima lu yebe.
Le yin wabai.
Kulili gati yebe.
Le yin wabai.
Ya America.
Le yin
Lige me
wabai.
gidi sigu.
Le yin wabai. Wasiguru woge garino. Lobo Indura, you have these multinational corporations. Halo hin habuga kwenye garina kuloye laru ya habeya. Ida wasiguru tura. You have garífuna leaders in Honduras being assassinated. Wasiguru butura. Nihe laru beya same baby. Hopkins. Laru beya. Agere indurana. Garino. Abu oge garina gulwegi lada buse wala buse hamuti am wasiguru tu gasiguru hadote. So this music speaks about those experiences. You know, mama degeba mama I'm not into that. Lamu abalir, that's for somebody else.
Lu da buhala awadi gemaida. Da buhala buga lu bagapa hami.
Exactly.
Lu gala bibi bau guo. Kebu jibu wida yahala giga uma. Abai maha. Tu pasami no loguli.
This is conscious music.
Yep. Tu bahe junu hamigi.
Yeah, conscious music. You meditate on it. You vibe to it.
Yep.
You move to it.
Yep.
But you see yourself in the music. You understand?
Yep.
So I've never performed in a nightclub on my own. Never.
Masanti?
No. All my shows have been at colleges, universities, and theaters.
Yeah.
A sit-down audience. The last big show I did was at DePaul University. Sabra. And a lot of them saw in themselves what we were talking about. People from Africa, several people from the Caribbean. Muti Hada le logo le were mhobe.
Siuti logo hold. You wait to home.
Meme. So the music is down to the root of who we are.
Yeah.
That's the kind of vibe I rather be in. Versus, I don't like feel good music. Yeah. It's okay, but it's not Mama Nidali. Yeah. That's for somebody else. Feel good music for somebody else. I like music with vibe, with honesty, with substance, with character.
Yep. Mama sun waje masu wuce. Mama sun waje masu wahin. Mama sun waje masu
I'm your wayabi. I'm your wayabi. You understand?
Yep.
You know, so this music speaks about garífuna resistance, garífuna challenges, garífuna empowerment, the politics in our music, in our existence. This music speaks about it. So it's a different approach. It's a different approach.
Mama nigunda lauyano le. La diga le maybe by lubo wayan halo kate daga juti lun wacha womi kana bai kai buguya ama wugi le adiga lali ama kate ke le da wayan ha la tohe lu lagu yu but memegi lida in sun higi lani gaifuna do daga ai hala ibati kate haguna ti lun le gien hadago bai sai karina go weto memegi gibati gien kate lun ti wayanu haluagu memegi liebia lun display ni la won logu li bagay logu la dege bay togu alugu agele togu agele ito to logu la dege le walenge agay hala bildi aba ata gad bildi aba aba gay funa le lunti waye ngongo luok le lunti ala waye bidu waye gulu ni borogel del ba yala na gumasyon ese nani credit del ba yala na dege ni le del ba yala na yeno ama tani go bank juti
Yeah.
la dege era ni guento sensuable. Money is power. So you begin to want lu ye bi lu where habuni abakate. Mama la lu wodi. Waya halanto buitu bon. Lu where la tuma o gaba haula wana una lo tuma ba no no su waton no su ichi abakate. Le baba lenge. Ulu muti uli yang ti akalish lu ga la hafen ti lu ga la hawa ta buluma. Le de le hey hu ba yang le ha de ba.
Sungada.
Ai bi wo hen bay ka bo
Sungada. You know, it's amazing that sometimes we'll go find our money bra. Let hey be rahi happy. Ligibata hadiga bawdi. I mud lam ha lafarno buguchu
Yeah, man, but
in almost every case.
yep.
La bisamina, that's the way it should be. Mahiti nikata society you don't see anything wrong with that. Abati bayi hani bi gabuli abati badugni. Baita la bisamina. My pa used to do it. Dabigal mo na nugo sila so wabo yana do. Mahiti nikat nida. Abati niyabi lo remulle mabui duti. Logi Vigilia, Mabui Dut. Hello. What's your name?
Katrina.
Katrina. Okay.
Hey, what's up, brother? Wugile ata yube tune hatani go Uber Eat lugu te gaba la gaba nege.
Yeah.
Ahin yaga te dibele Filipina. Wahin ya babu ya ni ogala shile dilihan sigu da gubali me.
How you doing, David? Hey, kayo eh. Goni mo ito. Leme lagu hon ni dura kya. Ona habay no siya me la chile le. Ito no ba meti?
So
Huh? Huh? Yeah, go ahead. Yeah.
entonces niati wugile lisani
Wugile.
lisani wugile le la butikate.
Aha. Ahora me bagara con no conte ya. Emo tayaro go me. La diga wugile.
Dasi.
That's. Yeah. You got the best in the house, man.
I got good recommendation.
Lege wugile budut. Ani habuti.
Nyate abuti.
Yeah. Habuti.
Joseph.
Yep.
Joseph. So, yeah. Yep. So, hello, you.
Welcome. Anyway.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's comfortable, man. Yeah, lata wile tikini bra.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Masa ni gimungo la wile bra lata la jasusu ligimu ye.
No, sana wira California,
Oh, okay.
California ye wugile
Oh, okay,
busebe
okay. San Francisco. Okay. They keep tikini San Francisco. Chile da, okay. Masa gibe ofisi tobo wako. Lo wa begi hudut. Mas bawa ni medu talk man.
I the boy we de le bayi won wage ga ina go fena fu metina buga lage buga luwa da go kate luwa lige do no witi ga ina go buga haya ba shilige banya ho sa go bona ya bu ya hulile ga te la belisi ya lubo haya biya ya ho merigo memegi na washile muga Chicago, New York, Los Angeles, wadai ba Chinatown, o madai ba dua garífuna town. Sen mo ba na rogule. Kala me ke be won kala ki to ko lu be gala wo mo se duge lu ane be la ya ge la lu mo uwa do la me ni buge no nugu ya we ho ga ba ka ya be la wo ye bi ehi kate tau wo woni ani be la France la loti wengo hengo no alia wa rodel amba umade amba iduhe amba garifun ni ala duge be ala duge be ala duge be ala duge
Um, Can mama la wage flas lebra. Can you be good la yaho for a short period of time?
yeah
Aba walo ago over video. To get something at that level, you have to have so many things in place. One, thousands of us have to be around. You have to have lots of resources to make that happen. And most importantly, you have to have political power to make that happen. In the absence of those things and some other variables
yeah
have to be present for us to establish an environment at that level. I am not interested in establishing any of that stuff out here. My interest would be to establish something at that level where, because at the end of the day we have to go back home to our plaza, so to speak.
yeah yeah
You understand? You know, loma mama lahama loma mama lahama mos wabu no guya bra mabu no to hamugaya. We only come here to spend some time
yeah
and get ourselves together. Luba widi waiwa.
ma wa duge ni wa gani ha wa mu ha wa gani ha ni bubu no flash hackings kosa dangoiga wa di mal uliligat
Aha,
ni gara
aha.
like never obey like ti amba wo wa da go hama political lu financial lu financial wa mani hani campaign lu hayebi lu hego ma wo ma hawo de ogun ha how de mo sugeti lu wa da go kapa lu ma ereni
Aye, soon le lidaba. Soon le lidaba.
yeah
Pero the problem is amusamina ya, amusamina ya,
yeah
amusamina ya, amusamina suhale libite amusamina. If we as a people cannot come in with that vision
yeah
that we all understand and can participate in, we're gonna We're going to be everywhere. There is, however, there is nothing wrong with different organization within the Garifuna community. There's nothing wrong with that.
Yeah.
I think it's very important that you have different organizations within the Garifuna community. One, ideology is important. Different visions from different Garifuna organizations, make us whole.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because we're not thinking as one. We have to think differently. We can address land issues. An organization dedicated to land issues
Exactly.
can go further than an organization that is dabbling in all of these little pieces and can't get to the depth of what a particular organization can get to. You understand? An organization's major dedication to language development and schools and curriculum development in Garifuna and Garifuna language teaching can produce so much more if they focus on that major part of it, whereby books are being written, researchers, curriculum in schools, teachers are trained, kids are learning, versus one organization that just has a tepid response to that particular area of
Just
development.
que o bem aguentou na noha technology AI. Fosse te maho AI seguau, but gibe banyak efeito be how de me we you hoga. Adega tebi be AI lumet gala tapo la me robot. Ya be tebi lu tachiba gubu. Gibe banyak higi ubo hanona o hayeite hayewa do luma
Hagamos ugile, hagamos ugile. Emo kalala wala samina ugile bra. Lalo halme lebu nakate ya, doni bota kato ya.
Jugo diti lo wayabe lo wasami na hani lo wahini abakate kala susebe kabla susebe. How lugu ya tira dina truck driving.
Okay.
But hanaliti yage la luamba kenzi yumu. Mabuga hana lame. AI o lame abuga
hon
moso nyebi unatoha tubage AI lugera nila musu mua numa na baguia bia masemi amba sivia gad fito tolut garan nudi basivia nudi bocha nudi bahiwa nudi berewe digni ata neta ande habia harau nu na beta bata batu harau la
ibagele
aya banege bia leweyu Cindy abadiga subu laulia sigit de tau biegra hayate nuba
chengo me muso bime natido baruru la dangus
yep
moble de baita neho
ai oya
lishu neho tido
oya
huh?
I so Judy
but here's the other part. Even though technology is moving ahead, Rawi, abige logo bu. Subu sire hamu fa logo tibu. Pero warahin hage bata friend de subille hage meti lu handu ni wagairo. Lugia lofu do ha ye boy ke u hamaya. You see, we have this base of our culture. I hear Rahin Hopkins brad dangri the same way le hagera garino. Iter again. half for your garang come na mga lu ya for it. That is
Mama sa recognition libra.
that is inborn.
Yeah.
Hada yung lira.
Yeah.
That is a transmission
Yeah.
of the culture.
Yeah.
Lao heavy.
Yo hayabi.
Yeah, heavy.
Lo hayabi.
La, they get to learn with recognition.
Yeah.
Yeah. Liwe no mingi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
La lumenge.
Yeah. Yeah.
So what that way gaifuna?
Lao heavy.
Lo
La
hayabi.
heavy.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. We were born with that gift.
Yep.
So leti amuti kate bile this technology thing mostly were friend their own must have friend their own lu landugun ho.
Bahebate ambakate. Ndio tuwo buga hulili gati.
Mama hamata rugba mama hamata lu wobule ni wobule dagu wongwa, not to forget who we are.
Yeah.
But to introduce other things to us that can add to our dimension of growth.
Yeah. Ambaludi ababaya ye lo hulili ya tawagayo. Legati lo abane wasenia. No manyugo pati man abale pele lo lega kamu lega no manyugo pati bu la tega ita lega lo nega pakate. Muti hati. Bia bei luba fulen.
Yeah.
Ita ga kwento amuti lebu gudu.
Yeah.
Nia bagala wanyugo lelo.
Yeah.
Lega lo faye goma. Leo behega aposta. Wa faye go lega la bet.
Yeah, bet. Bet.
Lega lo faye goma. Lega lo okay. Nichu bas biya san dole bu bonyuga san udu hoga. Lega let lebu ga. Yidu bayagi.
Yeah.
Lega lo okay. Ahana manyugu louga alida nyuga. Ola sun wikle. Halu be na yugu nichu be bu sungu be lelo. Halu de ugele na de halago ela gad milu udu. Lega lo hiya bu law nani ba biya.
Yeah, fire baby Doda. Fire baby Doda.
Kadiga ani kate adiga buda heavy one ko buga lo heavy lumage blage buga la kaya final ready lum belisi lu hakis togo buga logo buga hati hodi togo buga warugu ma hodi diga gaifa susi lahi issue
Subusil mudle.
o tau technology to ne fire to bika ton toma
Yeah.
onke musu te u ada gutuma meme is seti wa bullet le wani
Yeah. Binar. Ni aba ni diholi ya buga na dongo. Hopkins. Aba lengo no. Dihewe. Useta ta hayabi ran ha. Ubo hugia. Ladiga hemuti. La wiba date weda. Aba lewi da. Aba lengo man. Siapa itu nak buat hong lada macam lu berhong. Awak ni apa? Ni tete. And sure enough,
Yep.
apa tahu?
Yep.
So that wisdom, that knowledge,
Yep.
the transmission of that information.
Subusi. Yep.
Subusi. They know.
Yep.
Yeah. So we can't forget who we are, but we also have an opportunity to learn new things, add to
Exactly.
what we are. Exactly. So we can compete with anyone. Yeah. But there's transformation, you know. La sociedade
That's right.
I'm not saying this is bad or this is good, but logo abadan sum mehmuna to mehu tidabo Hopkins musi metabulu musi leaves what meha aba yo meha cement badeu
Now sing.
those then zinc
Yeah.
taps.
Yeah.
When you have buildings, homes
Yeah.
that have been modernized,
Yeah.
so to speak. Modernized. I'm gonna tell you what. So, so all that is captured because our dad, we have come out here, we've seen technology, we've seen these things that we consider okay, okay. Ida, kami abada, what me had toilet, whatever. We had to do outhouse.
Budi beye.
Must be the larbe.
Tanne kama wewe puli ama
Larbe
wewe.
ya aba
Akano
babuda,
ba.
aba babuda,
Lei
babudo.
tewa nema wewe obra o. Awa tewa damaga si. Awa ne tamu tau.
Ah, tamo to.
Awa ne tewa semo tu. Awa ne tewa semo ne tu.
Temo hato.
Wate ne ke.
Aha.
Like awa ne timi unu.
Aba timur.
Pachibo wewe hala gotau. Lele wati musike wewe auto. Osa te unu.
Ah,
Tabo ta tibi na tabo go.
ah,
Wende mo hei ni tataga get.
ah,
Kendo de no fnatia. Tataga ni asu kato me ko popai nukuchi.
ah.
Lo hasu busini mut no mo lo hei ni no ya get. Obse ne mo sa tiki ya kudu ne mo yado.
Masa.
Ko hala wata hewe.
Hello. So there are advantages and disadvantages to all this stuff.
Yeah.
Let me hear Hopkins na weda lumadangri. Me hiro gid na. Gabunet na meloni de ucha. Ngaba guyer num. Nad no tidon. Gawa me ni de ucha. Gido no ge ubo. Ucha. Lumanuguchi. Sometimes hama nomado. Pero Nisanigo, they didn't have that opportunity.
No.
So, aba have faith di hamuti tilir. They lost. They didn't even have the opportunity for those experiences. Arabu, yun na maachu Arab lumanawi, di lumanawi. We plant, like me taucho, aba widi, achu baruru, achu bihawasi, badia, but my kids don't have that opportunity. Yahweh.
Dabudi ahina.
Sulira.
Anago watu.
Sulira.
Gai
Gaiga bege mamu lugu. Oh yeah. So all
Opo,
those
de te del bege gai fubra. De te wo bege.
let yeah man, but you see bro, ligeta dig banwa.
Yeah.
Those are the experiences that made us. You understand? So lewe biyaho. Nothing is a challenge to us. We've been through challenges.
Yep.
You know, we solved problems
everything
easily.
Yep.
Because our minds were trained to do those things. Friend Omuti.
Yep.
We have excellent problem solving skills if we paid attention.
Yeah. When yo wa sendo ben wa bati muele huliliti. Na bega anyamba lita kata ila gaifuna. Mudi tua dangriga. Mudi tua belis. Mudi tua juti lunga yala.
You could use the other room.
Okay. Hey, tao.
Oh, okay.
So juti lunga muga mudi wagai no luwa hini abakat. Biga makabe do tikate. Bashila San Juan tona be Triunfo Limu Lawan Usuno gati Hawkins Tangriga Corosal Sabay. Ligimino gidi sunkate. So you to lo ya bi wodi. Where you hold guys speaking about hotel. Airbnb tia.
Yeah.
Quando te tu get out de bicaba, bebendo tal bicaba ba mu na
Yeah.
yen haya
Yeah.
hivi. So I get delay. So lu ge wo e bi no wodi happy wo do hay. Daga idu hay wo ge kai na wo
Okay,
ge
man.
wo
Okay,
ge
man.
so
Okay,
you to like garífuna tourists, you know, ga wo diga ni li. Ada dia na hulili gat no di ba usuno gati debu gati manyali inage habal go to be somebody. La daga italwa bide go no mut.
Italy bida, Italy bida ha. Italy ida hani.
So sena ba yo go ma sa yo wa ba yo no ba ti mo ina lo ti diga dala hausun gari na go hausun logo la daga hasu sat na ge to ge YouTube, to Facebook, TikTok, porque son tele usu te cuento. Ay,
Rawe, it's very important that we stay focused.
yeah.
Focus on continuing to be who we are.
Yeah.
Mama nuge megero, mama nuge faransuna, mama nuge wadi malu, mama nuge ndurna, mama nuge balisna, garifuna
Garifuna.
out. So it doesn't matter where I'm born, garifuna memegi.
Yeah.
So we have to be cognizant of this mindset of territorial nonsense.
Yep. Liya fa habali.
It's pure nonsense.
Yep.
Mama ladiga indura ge la biabi lu amula na hi buago. Mama hamuga ladiga wadi malu ge la biabi lu amula na hi buago. Lada you happen to be born in Guatemala, but garif na meme.
Yeah.
Kayao.
Yep.
So for us to establish a global mindset of who we are as a people, we have to eliminate those we have to eliminate those invisible barriers. So we need to get past that mindset. I embrace every Garifuna who comes here. Oh, okay. Welcome. So important. Ni me a loga badan le me nyir na. Abi me garina go ndurage. Aba wogo ha home alien. As a kid, you me over the hobo wall. You understand? You me over the hobo wall. But I grew up. I'm like, no. Definitely need it. What you me? You know, ni me abadan Debbie Hopkins elu be the dangry gone. There was a division. In the Lubasa. And portion of soon have me either way. Dangry gone Hopkins hey Abby. It makes no sense.
I waited the leader soon haga ga ina buga.
Ida Lubasa. Siamba ite we have leader ababra. We can't who the go. Siamba ite. If those there's this something called the hidden hand.
Yeah. Yep.
The hidden hand that keeps churning among us, that is creating this division. How about all bear with the knee? How about one there with the boo? Ni taba aba uku bule bra, money heat it, yeah. But that's That's the hand that's creating the division between you and me. If we begin to recognize that hand, that hidden hand that is creating this division, bruh, and we eliminate it, even though our ideological differences might be this, but recognizing la garífuna la amurke how that in itself will bring us together.
No, nel mo wile lenga tenu. Bra, fume nu di hada du hen belisina.
Yeah.
Vamos a sende, vamos al buito sende gunu.
Masa, where? Yes.
Oh,
yes,
yeah.
Yes.
Nenga lu bra na mule.
Yeah.
Ya. Bo dule belis. Yet habai kadina ko belisin Chicago, Los Angeles.
Yeah.
Yengu yan.
Yeah. Mostly.
Yep.
Wonder the go ya ente.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Imagino te flyer porque flyer no me hubo.
No. Me have to tell you how we are. This was their meet and greet location.
Oh, okay.
Aba habi, aba hadungo go ya. Oh, galo what ya wonder.
Okay.
It was a last minute thing. Busete habi, aba hip hop.
Yeah.
You know. Go. So on a final note, we have to come together in a mindset that we are all garífuna people. It doesn't matter what region you were born to. And also, what is also important is that we eliminate those hidden barriers that keep us divided.
Definitely.
Recognizing that this unseen hand is there. Put it away. It doesn't matter where you come. And keep pushing positivity. It is so important that our music keeps pushing positivity out there because the younger generation are listening to what we say. And if we can't be positive, if we can't teach through our music, I hate to be Joniga. I will be a gambo soon down bra. Kabagi hand.
Yeah. Leave it on the go.
Kabagi hand. So all that is so important. We're multifaceted. We are multifaceted people, and we learn from multifaceted directions. But we have to understand that we have a responsibility as grown-ups and adults to teach the younger generation positive things. Which one of them? Who is talking about garífuna history in their music? Who is talking about serious garífuna experiences historically through their music? You want to know who? I am one of them. Ow. There might be others, but ow, I am doing that kind of stuff. So that is so important to me. That there is all this positivity. In the next several months, we're going to be shooting some videos.
Oh, okay. Pero pasigo ba metemos
yes. We're picking up equipment so that we could start a band in Belize.
Oh, okay.
Again, it's a different kind of a band.
Yeah.
You know, we dabble into different things, positive stuff. Yeah. I'm glad we finally.
I will be able to buy gala what you didn't talk about. You be waiting to cut the nail, we lay out those as possible to what
It's all good. It's all good. I'm happy. I'm glad. And Brawe. Much pleasure. So much pleasure.